If you are looking for a self-care purchase, I think I found it, guys. I got you covered. Check it out. This is the Shiatsu Foot Massager by RENPHO. I've literally been using this foot massager every day when I come home from work because it feels amazing. It really does help me unwind and relax, so this has become part of my routine every day when I come home. You can actually control all the settings straight from the machine, but what's even better is that it comes with this remote, so you can control everything without having to bend down. Okay, so let me show you how it works. You're gonna simply go ahead and press the power button, see how it comes on, and I find that this sensor does have to be pointing right in this area, so make sure you're pointing it here, not pointing it in either direction. So what I love is it's actually gonna combine deep kneading massage, compression, and heat all at the same time. It also has a timer feature, which is really nice. So as you can see here, you can set it to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, and it will go ahead and automatically cut off when it's done. It really is truly customizable, so you can, adjust it to whatever feels comfortable for you. The massage will even adjust to your foot size. So once you put your foot in, it's gonna massage around your feet. So that is another cool feature. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this thing, guys. As you can see, I have not stopped the massage since I started recording this video. It literally feels like someone has their fingers at the bottom of my feet and just going to work. The heat is also a really nice feature. I like it because it's really not too intense. I had mine on high and it just feels like nice and warm, nice and comforting. It's really not too hot. It really hugs your entire foot. You just feel like you are getting a personalized massage at the spa. It has a little weight to it, but it's not too heavy, so you can go ahead and take this on the go if need be. I would say that the Shiatsu Foot Massager is a definite must-have to add to your daily self-care routine.